Good morning, custodians. This I'll be explaining you in written form. So I have 12 to the power 4 into 9 to the power 3 into 4 upon 6 to the power 3 into 8 square into 27. First we will see what kind of numbers are here. So 12 I'll break. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 into 3. It becomes 12 to the power 4 into 9 into 9 into 9. This is 3 times into 2 into 2 upon. Okay, so now if you can see here, the next is 2 into 3, 6. I'll break it to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 becomes 8, and square is given, so I'll write square into 3 to the power 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 27. So the moral of the story is, now we know 2 2s are 4, so we will write 2 to the power square into 3 4 times into, and we can break 9 also, 3 into 3, isn't it? So 3 square 9, how many times we have? 3 times, 3 to the power this like this into 2 square upon 2 to the power 2 into 3, and we have 3 here, 2 3, we have square here, and 3 cube. Okay, after this what we will do is, we will actually multiply these powers. So 2 4s are 8, 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 4 into, we have 3 square, 3 to the 6, 3 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 2. See, 2 4s are 8, 3 4 6 2. Okay, now we'll do similar like this somewhere at the denominator, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. Now the multiplication forms, we will add 2 8 plus 2 10 and 3 10 upon 2 3 plus 6 9. So we will write directly 9 here into 3 6. Okay, so finally division form, this will go up and this will also go up, the respective bases and powers. 10 minus 9 into 3 10 minus 6. Okay, so 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 4, so this means 2 into 3 4 times 81 162. So hope you have understood this example, and we'll stop here, and some more examples I'll be explaining you like this by written way, so that you are able to understand the question properly. So go through these examples and do the exercises related to this when I'll be giving you. Okay, God bless.